Google recently launched one image generation model that is Google Nano Banana. Now, utilizing this model in this video, let me show you how can you change your normal photos to a professional headshot which you can use in your LinkedIn, maybe in other profile or in your resume, wherever you want to. Very quickly, let me show you how can you do that. Currently, I'm in Google homepage and here I'll just type lmarena.ai. So this is the tool using which I'll be able to use Google Nano Banana for free. Here, this kind of an interface you'll be able to see. I'll click on cross and you can also create an ID, you can log in so that your work will be retained. But currently I'm using as without logging in. Here you'll be able to see one option, one particular drop down, that is battle mode. What I'll do, I'll click on this drop down and I'll click on direct chat. Now, some of the time you may find this particular drop down here in the middle of the screen also. Just check out wherever you are able to see that. Second thing I'll do, I'll click on creating an image. Then you will be able to see Gemini 2.5 flash image preview Nano Banana is automatically selected. Now what I'll do, I'll bring one of my normal photo and then I'll ask it to change it to a professional headshot which I can use in LinkedIn. So I have one folder already opened. Here, this is, I think, one image. This is the image. I'll bring it here. And then I already copied one of the prompt. I'll paste it here. Can you give me a professional headshot with a blue blazer and white shirt, which I'll be using in LinkedIn as profile picture? If I click on this button, now let's see what it comes back with. Look at this image. I uploaded this image, right? So just check that this is the image, and now it came back with this option. And who can tell you it's an AI generated image? What I'll do, if I go back and I type another prompt, give me another version of this image with folded arms, and let's see if it can do that for us or not. Okay, it took some 13 seconds of time and now it came back with this particular output. And here you can see fingers are proper, all those things. So this is the way you will be able to change any of your existing image. It can be a normal image, but you can produce some of the good outputs from those images also. So very quickly, let me do one thing. Let me download this particular image. If I just right click and click on save image, so there I'll be able to save it. And you can see this image size is 1.2 MB. So if I double click and open, good amount of clarity is also there. So if you're still not happy and you want some other modifications, like if you want to change any color of the clothing, anything, that also you can do. So this is the way, very quickly, I just shown you that how can you use Google Nano Banana and you can change any of the normal photo to a good headshot. So let me know what's your view. Will it be useful, not useful? I've also published another video using which you will be able to change your image to a superhero. So check out that video also if you are interested.